in the power, walk in the power, walk in the power. Last one. Children walk in the power. Huh. Children walk in the power. Walk in the power, children. Walk in the power, children. Walk in the power, walk in the power, walk in the power, children. Yeah! No repression, turn me around, turn me around, turn me around. Ain't gonna let no repression turn me around. I'm gonna keep on walking, keep on talking, marching on to freedom land. Nobody ain't.
Everyone has the right to their own opinion, right? So, yeah, I respect that.
Living on the streets, have a good conscience, and spend billions of dollars on an event that lasts 2 weeks. We want justice. We want equality. We want freedom. When you go home, we want you to tell your parliamentarians, this is not democracy. Every human being deserves a bed, deserves food, deserves a roof over their heads. Until that happens, we will continue to fight. We want freedom. We want justice.
Eric Doherty, and I'm here with Gateway Sucks because the 2010 Olympics is actually the Freeway Olympics, not the Grievous Games. $1 billion was spent expanding the Sea to Sky Highway, which runs alongside a major railway line that does not have passenger rail on it and it's underutilized. We could have just had passenger trains running to Whistler, and instead they took a step back, a huge step back for environmental sustainability with the Olympics by building this freeway. The previous games had a pledge not to do any major roadway expansions. So there's a huge tie. We've got the Olympics happening right now. The road's already built, that money's spent, but there's billions and billions of dollars of freeways planned right here in the Lower Mainland. Some of them, the construction has already started, but they can be stopped. We can reallocate that money to transit, to other human needs, and we can reduce greenhouse gas emissions instead of spending our billions of dollars of public money increasing emissions and cooking our planet.
It's the cuts to funding for education that the cost of the Olympics has brought about.
We're down here to use our voices in a beautiful way in the streets that calls out justice, and that names things in the lyrics we sing, and also carries a spirit that humans can feel, you know, and we can get with. Along with the entire movement of the protest, we join forces, and it's just been an amazing community kind of phenomenon, really, of people saying, yeah, I want to sing in the streets, yeah, I want to name what's going on in our communities, and they feel good doing it. I know so much less of it than so many movements of the past who have always utilized our voices and our bodies to move what we know as truth in the world, and also response to pain and suffering, to move it through our bodies, and to say it loud, and to say it directly, and to also say it with the spirit of what we want to build while we're doing it. So we try to bridge across many differences. You'll notice mad differences among the group singing, and that they're unified. I heard when you sing, you access a different part of your brain. You sing from a different part of your brain than when you speak. And I think that that's really important for us to remember our connections to each other while we fight forces of extremely destructive macro-capitalist greed, like the Olympics are.